here with them. Finally, before I call the president, is to tell our athletes, our heroes and heroines, this sport comes with some little bit of money. Please invest it well so that you live a good life after you retire. I did not know that this running had come with some bit of money. If I had known when I was young, I would have been a gold medalist. I did not know iko pesa hapo, lakini sasa tumejua. So we are talking to our grandchildren to start getting interested in running because it comes with a bit of money. Please invest and invest well so that the name that you carry is dignified throughout your life. It will be very sad that after you are gold medalists, you have been to the Olympics, later on in life you are struggling and people are asking what happened. That is a man, the woman we knew who was a champion in the whole world who is struggling like the rest of us here. So please invest and invest well. So let me take this opportunity now to ask all of you to be upstanding and ask the president to come and give his personal congratulations and also congratulate the Olympians on behalf of the country. Mr. President.